Hawakan mo lang yan. Okay?
Ayan na yung ano, Mayra.
Oh.
Ayan, may pa-premiere. Bakit na yan? Kukuha ko na ng ticket.
Ma, si Junjun, wait. Tingnan mo si Atesh, no? Yeah.
Mama, ko tignan mo. May picture na daw.
Dito ka nga anak sa line mo. Bibi, dito ka na.
Ay mga sinama.
Sila.
Malayo pa sila?
With me on the flight deck is Captain Ruben Guevara. And we have our cabin crew headed by Patricia. We have Jen, Chloe, and Ren. On behalf of all of us and Cebu Pacific, welcome aboard flight 5G 579 bound for Cebu, Mactan. As of now, we are just waiting for the cargo doors to close and for our final documents. And for your information, flight time will be 1 hour. Cruising altitude will be 35,000 feet. Weather route is forecasted to be fair. However, for your safety, please remain seated as much as possible with your seatbelts fastened.
Kela, Wally, if you are on board, can acknowledge by raising your hand. Command of the aircraft is Captain Guevara. He blended that by first offer the seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift top of buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under your seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tubes. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. In case of rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks will automatically drop from the compartments above you. Immediately grab the mask and pull it towards you. Put it over your nose and mouth. Pull elastic band sideways for snug fit and breathe normally. Put your own mask first before assisting others. Keep it on until you are advised to remove it. In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs